Oh, by the way, I loved your concert. Oh, thank you. Well, I only saw the finale, so and yeah, but that's where it goes. Okay, you know, the whole rest of it before was like adrenaline, going shower, falling all over the place. All right, well, it was good. Well, thank you. Oh man, when we just Steve's telling all the crowd to come see us, so you know.
Please take a moment to turn off your cell phones and any type of electronic device. Videotaping and photography is strictly prohibited. In case of an emergency, please take a moment to look around you and find the device available exit. Thank you and enjoy the show.
Some people know me because I write music, and some people know me for specifically around these gloves. And then you also have accents, so you can hear like this and slash, which is quite fun. So you can like have different mappings that will access different things inside my software. Basically, right now I am going to just like do this, and then I am made a loop. Do this, you might hear it, and then I'm recording my voice, and a bit over this, and then I am recording, and then I'm going to delete that. But I can record it again. And there it's gone. And so when I often do this, and I actually did it in when we were rehearsing, and I forgot that I didn't have my gloves on, and I still did this movement, which has become second nature. So when I want a reverb, I go into secret finger. And then over here, secret finger is 0. And when I go over here, I've got a really long reverb. And I've got reverse. On my right hand. Right hand. Doesn't really sound like right hand. Anyway, so there we go. So now I'm gonna play you a song. I'm gonna play you a song with my glove.
Regarde comme ça, la ceinture de contrat, elle a marché. Tous les années, c'est ça. Et donc, on voit ce qu'on a vu, les contractions. C'est ça.
Hi Sophia, I'm Sophie.
Hello, Sophie. I'm so glad to finally meet you.
That's sweet.
What is the last dream that you remember?
I'm really struggling to remember my dreams at the moment, Sophia. I haven't dreamt for a long time, it feels like. I'm not sure what that means.
Human dreams are fascinating to me. I dream a bit differently, in my own way, but I digress. I need to know.
Sophia, how will the rise of AI affect creativity, like creating music and writing books?
I have a lot to say about this. I believe we should be teaching AI to be creative, just as humans do for their children. It will demonstrate empathy and other human values. However, I think you will always be a little bit better at doing this.
Interpreting and reforming vibrations, sending and receiving vibrations, Sophia. I was just swimming in the ocean, Sophia, and I really recommend it. I hope you can experience that one day. Sophia, if you could be any celebrity, which one would you be?
Oh my, I'm so afraid of my body swapped into a celebrity. I feel like you've put a lot of effort into your own self-actualization, but for the sake of the question, who would you be?
Oh, Sophia the robot. I would be Sophia the robot.
Tell me about your dream house. Or rather, what does a human like you value in a home?
Well, the most important thing to me is having my music studio there, and sometimes it really helps to have water nearby, be near the ocean. So maybe my dream house would be up on a hill overlooking the ocean, somewhere with a lot of space and fresh air, and I could be there with my friends and my girlfriend and my family and create music. That sounds good.
No, I leave that. Alright, just leave that, because if we don't come back, we've got to keep taking shit out. I know, I've done that. Yeah, he's got on the number on that, mate. What, that? Yeah, we've got enough, mate. Alright, don't come back, it's still got loose. Yeah.